I'm not saying you're a liar. I'm just saying you grew a lot in a short period of time, Rex. People do have growth spurts, but this one, you're taller than me now. Wait a minute. Can you believe this guy? He's using magnets. Oh, Rex! Guys, Rex is all fine. He was just really excited about our use of magnets today. Today, we are going to be making magnetic slime. And these magnets are going to be really important in sharing with us the movement of metal through magnets. And Rex, will you quit it? We need those for the video. Come on, this is getting ridiculous. Magnets are fun, but you're going to fall down. Now just sit here. Okay. So today we will be making magnetic slime. And guys, it is so easy to make magnetic slime, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. What I have here is my glue. I use clear glue today just so we can really see what we're doing. I have contact solution, and I have what's called magical liquid. So I'm going to be doing this experiment in 2 different ways, and we'll see what turns out good. And the last thing is this is called black iron oxide natural Fe3O4. This is basically iron shavings, iron powder, and it is very, very magnetic. So today we're gonna be making our magnetic slime, and the first thing you're gonna need to do is put in your glue. So we're gonna open up our glues and we're gonna pour them into our bowls. What I like to do next is I like to put in my iron powder in here. The more I put, the more magnetic, so we'll see how much I put. So we're just gonna pour in 1 scoop of our iron powder. 1.5. Why not? Let's go crazy today. And then we're gonna mix it in. Look at this. We got a pile of goop here. This is black. Now, these are called our catalysts. They're what's gonna make these react and become what they're about to become. So, in this one, I'm gonna put Elmer's magical liquid. And in here, I'm gonna put some contact solution. And we'll see how they react. So I'm gonna mix this up first. That one's becoming more slime. So I'm gonna start mixing this one. And afterwards, the best way to mix it is to go all in. With your hands. And I'm not afraid to get dirty, as you guys know, with these experiments. And that's And you can even put it down and not have to worry about anything. That's some good slime. So how do we know if it's magnetic? Only one way to find out. Oh no. Well, there you have it, guys. This is our very own magnetic slime. Oh wow, these magnets are really strong actually. Rex, can you give me a hand? Rex? Rex, don't you dare leave me! Rex! I'll get you for this, Rex!